Hello everyone, so for today's video I'm going to do a blogger mail haul. Basically I've been sent a load of things recently and I thought I would just show you everything I've been sent, and I've actually had time to use quite a few of these products, and so I can give you a little review on all of them as well, and I'm just going to link everything down below if you are interested in purchasing anything. But yeah, I thought this would be a really fun video to do as I haven't done one in a while, and it's kind of like a haul as I haven't really bought very much recently, but I have been using a lot of these things and some of them are my favourite things out of the month. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to show you what I've been sent recently. Okay, so I'm going to start off with all the skincare bits as I've been sent a lot from Anytac. I think that's how you say it. So I've got a load and loads and loads of things here. Now I have used some of these products before. So for example, I have used the daily face wash before. This is absolutely amazing. It smells really, really good. I've just put everything back in the packaging for you guys to see. So yeah, this is just what the face wash looks like. You would have seen this back at Christmas time as I was given one in that massive hamper I received, and I actually used it all up. So they very kindly sent me another one, and yeah, this smells really good. It is really good for cleansing the skin. Honestly, your skin feels so clean after using this. So if you're someone who struggles with acne, blackheads, whitehead, pimples, anything like that, or you just want a really, really good clean, this is perfect for you. I don't know how much this retails for, but like I said, everything will be linked down below. And because I love this so much, they actually sent me some more things from the range. So the first thing I have are these daily face wipes. I haven't used these yet only because I have another packet of wipes open at the moment, so I don't really want to have two, but they do very similar things by the looks of it. This is for oily and combination skin. I am dry skin, but I do have like an oily patch on my nose, so I'm sure this would work there. And then the other things I have are the liquid spray, and it's basically just looks like this, and it is just a really intense spray for your skin basically. So this is just basically a spray. You literally just spray it on your face and it just does all the things that you would usually get in like the face wash or a cleanser or a moisturizer, but you're just spraying it on, and I think this is really, really good idea just for like on the go. I've like sprayed this when I've just been like ready to go out before I put my makeup on, just to really cleanse the skin. It's also really good before bed at night, and again it has that really nice fragrance that the other products have, and this is just really, really quick and easy to use. And because it covers such a wide area, you know, you're using actually a lot less product than you would be if you were using another product. So the spray is a really, really good alternative if you're looking just for something that's kind of like a more long lasting product. And then the final thing I have is the gel serum, which I haven't had a chance to use yet, so I can't give you a full review on that. If you would like to see like an updated skincare routine, please do let me know. But this just says it's for whiteheads and pimples, so I might try that as I have this funny, it's like a spot or a bite that's like come up on my face, so I may try this on that. But yeah, it kind of just looks like this, like, you know, one of those funny tubey ends. And yeah, again, same fragrance, same thing, just says it gets rid of your spots and all things like that. So I'm excited to try this out. So thank you so much for sending over all those lovely products. The next thing I have is from Queenie Cosmetics, and I've had this for a while now and I keep forgetting to mention it, so I thought today would be the perfect time. So this is the Unicorn Dreams glitter. I've just put it back in the bag as it obviously is glitter. I don't want it to go everywhere even though it is sealed properly, but yeah, it's just like a really pretty glitter. You can use this on your face. I'm guessing you could probably use this in the hair. So, you know, festival season's coming up, this is perfect. And I do have a discount code, you guys, so use the code FloralSophia5 for some money off if you want to go and purchase anything from Queenie Cosmetics. The Instagram account's also really lovely, so do go check that out. But yeah, I have actually tried this out like on the back of my hand. I just haven't had a chance to obviously go out somewhere and wear it, but it is really, really effective. It's really pretty as well. It's really, really nice, and I just put it back in here as obviously it's quite a small thing. I don't want to lose it. So yeah, thank you so much for this. It's so pretty, and they've got loads and loads of lovely glitters over on their site as well. And then the last few things I have are all jewellery themed. So the first two are from Vlando. So this is just like a small jewellery box. As you can see, it opens up like this. So it's got like a pouch at the back, in all of these rolls, which are perfect to put like rings in, and then it's got 3 dividers. So this is ideal for taking on the go. It's basically like a travel size jewellery box. It's really, really nice. It's like this teal colour. So yeah, I have this. It's really, really pretty, and you would have seen these on my Instagram already. And then I also have the big jewellery box, which kind of matches the colour of my room. It's kind of like a duck egg colour. Now it can be locked, but I haven't figured out how to use the key. So yeah, it can be locked obviously. This one has a mirror, and as you can see, like a little box. And then this just comes out and there's more space underneath. And yeah, this is really, really pretty to put up in your room. I think it's just a really nice way to store your jewellery so it doesn't get lost. Are really, really nice. So yeah, thank you so much Flando for sending these. And then the last 2 jewellery bits I have, you also would have seen on my Instagram. So the first one is this Rosefield watch, and I actually did a little giveaway where one of you guys was able to win your own watch. So this is just rose gold. I thought I'd ordered a silver one, but I'm not sure as it is like the rosy gold colour, but that's fine. It's like a smaller version of my Daniel Wellington one. And then I also have this bracelet, kind of just got like this gemstone in the middle, and it's just really small and dainty, which is what I like. I don't really like things hanging off my wrist, which is why I always wear a hairband because it's tight. But yeah, this is really tight on the wrist as well, which is really, really nice. So thank you Rosefield for sending those. Final thing in this haul is from Soufeel, and if you've been watching my channel for a very long time, you would have known like absolutely ages ago they sent me a charm bracelet, which I have still got, and then they recently got in contact with me and asked if I wanted to try like a new product of theirs. So this is actually a necklace, and this actually has my name on it, which I think is so nice. I haven't taken it out the packaging yet, but it just says Sophia. It's just a silver necklace basically, and it's quite long. It probably sits quite far down on me, but yeah, it's a really, really pretty necklace. Obviously they come in loads of different styles, and you can actually just choose whatever you want to say on it. So they are obviously names, but you know, my name doesn't get printed on many things, and I know there's a lot of names like that as well, so it's really nice that you can just choose and they will literally print any name. So thank you so much Soufeel for the necklace. It is absolutely stunning. I really hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, as I will try and get them out for you as soon as possible. But I will see you all very soon. Bye!